This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the arm away from the screen and rotate the blade 90 degrees. Press the clips apart and slide the blade down from the hook of the arm. Slide the new blade into the hook of the arm and pull it outwards firmly to engage the retaining clips. Gently lower the blade onto the screen. Pull the arm away from the screen, turn the blade 90 degrees and press the blade pivot pin out of the recess in the arm. Locate the blade pivot pin in the recess in the arm, then press it firmly into the recess to engage the retaining clip. Gently lower the blade onto the screen.